you. This relaxes so much.
Describe that to somebody when people ask me, what is a lyre bird call? What's it sound like? That's what it sounds like. What I tend to say is Space Invaders video game. What it sounds like. So he's very funny. What I ask though is for people that are recording him just to not play it back while he's in here or while you're in here, because he gets really upset with that. He thinks it's another male lyre bird, and then he fights with phones and cameras. Which it sounds funny, but it's getting to a point where we might have to get rid of him soon because he's just attacking cameras all the time. Because everybody's got a mobile phone or video camera or whatever it may be. We had to move one of our lyre birds out of here. About 15 years ago, back in the good old days when video cameras, you hold it up to your eye, he used to jump on people's heads and grab hold of video cameras and throw them. But then he started grabbing glasses and throwing glasses and that sort of thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give him some food over there. I'll squeeze through, because I normally feed him. Let's see if we can get him over the other side of the pathway. It's a bit more visible than it does.
The female hen has just gone round back.
Ah, the female.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Between everybody and come over to that corner.
Lunch goes that way, not there. Lyre, there's your dinner.
So that's our female lyre bird there. And
Female lyre birds.
so female that's on our left right now, unfortunately been hit by a car and brought into us as an injured bird in 1987. So she's been here for 27 years this year. Our male was born in this aviary in 1989, so he'll be 25 years old this year. And young one there is 14 weeks old this coming.
She fit him. Did you see? She fits him.
So from mate, the egg hatching is 6 weeks. From the egg hatching to the chick leaving the nest is 6 weeks. So when baby's 6 weeks old, it's almost as big as mum. He's very friendly, this one. So he tends to follow me like
Because she doesn't know it's
over there where the
baby.
Lyrebirds do molt.
Her baby's so
They
big.
do lose all their feathers over about a 3 Lyrebirds males lose all their tail feathers. Textbooks say over about a 2-week period. Our male loses all his on the same day. And he lost all 16 tail feathers on the 1st of November last year. So they're gradually growing back again. I normally say they get back to their full length by about the end of January, but I reckon it's going to take a bit longer this year. They're not very long right now. They will end up almost twice that length when they're back to their full length. It's usually about the end of January that they get back to their normal spectacular looking self. Female lyrebirds and young ones have got fairly plain, flat, brown or grey tail feathers, nowhere near as elaborate as a male. Sorry. That's a red-bellied catamount. So female lyrebird has got 16 tail feathers, the same as the male, but as you can see, they're fairly plain, flat, brown or grey, nowhere near as elaborate as a male. Male's tail feathers are used for dancing and displaying to try and impress the female, and that's the main reason for all that clawing as well. Most of the clawing and dancing is May, June, July each year, sometimes into August, September. Very rarely does he do it once he's lost his tail feathers, not until about early February before he starts clawing again. So that's very special for him to be doing that today. I haven't seen him clawing like that for 4 or 5 weeks. So it's very unusual for that.
He's digging the holes to find more wood.
Usually they lay 1 egg at a time, very rarely do they lay 2. I've never known 2 eggs to hatch in the wild, and I've never known them to lay 2 eggs in captivity. So they usually only lay 1 at a time, very rarely do they lay 2. Lyrebirds, they build their nest up on top of a tree fern or up in high up in the tree. What they do is they create a bit of a platform of thicker sticks and branches all over, and then they get eucalypt leaves or branches and weave a bit of a nest on that. But then they do put a dome over the top of their thing. So the whole structure is this big, it's fairly large and fairly elaborate. And it's usually held together with tree fern roots. So they pull the roots out of the tree fern and tie the whole thing together using that. Our male and female lyrebird in the aviary here, this is the 5th baby that they've had in the last 10 years. Lyrebirds have only been successfully bred 9 times ever in captivity. Each of those is here at the same time.